Oh, all right. Oh, wasn't quite ready for that. I was not quite ready for that. All right. All right. I think he's about pootered out. Oh. All right. Not pootered out yet. Yeah. He is not a happy camper. It's a nice brown. For the 2.8, he's Moby Dick. Yeah. Yeah, for the 2.8, he's Moby Dick. Yeah. I might even have got the take. Oh, come here, dude. Come on up here, buddy. Get that head up. Get it up. Get it up. Oh boy. All right. Okay, for the 2.8, that's Moby Dick right there. All right. Yeah, I got the whole thing on there, huh? All right. That's a nice fish. Sweet. All right, buddy.